Are deportable aliens entitled to due process? The left has been demanding due process for deportable and deported aliens, including their poorly chosen poster child, Kilmar Abrego Garcia. But as is typical, the left is not being honest about what process is and is not due. Rather, the left seeks to confuse criminal rights and process with immigration, which are civil proceedings. Because deportation proceedings are not criminal proceedings, deportable aliens do not have criminal rights, such as being considered innocent until proven guilty, or a right to a taxpayer-funded defense attorney. Likewise, an administrative immigration judge's order of removal is not a conviction, and deportation is not a criminal sentence. What civil process does an alien receive? Before coming to the U.S., an alien may apply for a temporary or permanent visa, or apply for refugee protection through the U.S. Refugee Admissions Program. However, many aliens, like Abrego Garcia, ignore that process and instead come here illegally, making themselves a deportable alien. Once in the U.S., aliens then have a second opportunity for process by applying for asylum or other immigration benefits with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Again, many aliens, including Abrego Garcia, reject that process and remain living here illegally as long as they can, unless and until ICE encounters them. Only then, and in Abrego Garcia's case, it was 8 years after he illegally entered, do aliens who ICE places in deportation proceedings use a third opportunity to defend against their deportation by seeking immigration benefits. 2 immigration judges found that Abrego Garcia was an MS-13 gang member. He was ineligible for asylum because he waited longer than 1 year to seek it, and the very limited benefit he received, a withholding of removal to his home country, has been overcome by changed circumstances. The eradication of the rival gang he said he feared, and President Trump's designation of MS-13 as a foreign terrorist organization. The U.S. owes Abrego Garcia no more process. The left's demand for endless due process for deportable aliens has only opened Americans' eyes to how illegal aliens game our overly generous immigration system. The Justice Department and Congress need to end this systemic abuse.